Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. I'm wearing my new Glossier hoodie. Specifically for today's video, I am doing a full face of Glossier just for you so that I can share with you my favorite items and how you can keep your makeup really pretty, really natural, just really simple. Also, I know I've mentioned it before, I'm a rep with Glossier. I'll pop the link up on the screen right now and I'll also leave it down below. If you want to shop through my link, I would so appreciate it. You can get 10% off your first order, free shipping after 30. Even if you're just replenishing an order, it's not your first order, I would so appreciate you shopping with me so that I can continue to create more videos just like this, just for you. Also, I know that Glossier is running some holiday sales, some Black Friday amazing deals that they only do once a year. So if you're watching this and you want to take advantage of them, I will link those below as well. If you're watching this after Black Friday, feel free to use my rep link or contact me if you have any questions, and see more on my blog. I'll link those posts below, some of my favorite products from Glossier. And today in this video, you'll see some of the updated things that I've gotten since, and hopefully you will like what you see and be able to find something for you. So let's get to it. I already have my skincare on. Today I used this Summer Fridays jet lag mask, which I really love. It makes my skin feel super hydrated, which is amazing. And then I put on the Glossier Super Glow Serum. I love all of their super serums. So I actually think I'm going to put my hair back for the purpose of this video. Just because I don't want it in my face the whole time. So I'm just gonna use these little clips, Okay, we're just gonna go with that. Okay, so the first thing that I am doing is mixing their Future Dew with their Perfecting Skin Tint in the shade G9. So, something that I love, I'm almost out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Something that I love about Glossier is that you basically don't need brushes. So you can just use your hands, which makes life so much easier. Less to do, takes less time, less to buy, less to clean. Do you want more reasons? Okay, so I really try to focus hard on making my skin as good as it can be versus wearing really heavy foundations and makeup over top of it. I know that not everyone has that luxury. I'm not saying that I never break out. I'm not pretending that it's like an easy thing to do. But I do try to drink a lot of water, eat really healthily, eat really healthy. Which one is it? We don't know. I don't know. Take a grammar class. Do you like my rotting bananas? Anyway, and so you can see it's just like kind of light and glowy, not super coverage, which is what I want because I don't want it to look heavy and cakey. I want my skin to shine through. So now I'm taking the Glossier Stretch Concealer in the color G10 because I have some dark circles. I'm just gonna do this to kind of brighten it up a bit. Also gonna put some on top of my eyes because my eyelids are really dark as well. So you can see the difference again, pretty subtle, but it is something. This is really good makeup if you want kind of just like the natural glowy, undone, not super made up look, which is kind of my whole deal because I just don't have time or a lifestyle that is suited to like tons of makeup all the time. I mean, like I have a lot of makeup, I love makeup, but I mean just like, I just want stuff that looks like pretty natural and light and still pretty, you know? I want to accentuate my features and not necessarily completely change them. I want to be me. I just want to be me that looks a little more awake, you know? So I always have redness down here, so I'm gonna put a little down here just to reinforce, because that skin tint I said is pretty light coverage. And then I also have redness usually around my nose area here, so we're gonna do that just a little bit. And sometimes I have blemishes like right here, so I'm just gonna put a little here because I have some scarring from previous acne and such. So fun. Okay, so I'm trying to kind of just show you all very just my skin, but a little bit blurred. trying to keep it as natural looking and as fresh as possible, especially in the winter when my skin dries out super badly. Okay, my next step will be, let's do a highlighter. So I have their Night Shine Highlighter Concentrate. This is their little bottle. So I'm showing you this for the purpose of this video. I don't put highlight on every single day. Okay, next one. I'm gonna go in with the cloud paint in the color Dusk. So I'm just putting, a little goes a long way with this stuff. Oh, right after I said that, it's fine. Like, look at this, guys. So I'm putting it in as kind of like a contour because it is like a darker color. Just pulling it up. Do the same on the other side. Just really trying to blend it up and in. A little bit more color, because it is pale season. Okay. And I'm going to put a tiny bit up here. Another color I really love is Puff, and I would usually just put that like on if I'm not trying to do like any kind of shading or contouring or anything. And then I'm gonna add a tiny bit just to the apples of my cheeks of the Cloud Paint in Storm. One's trying to blend it in. I'm remembering that a little bit goes a long way, and it's really easily buildable, so it's a lot better to start small and to have to add some more on than to go in and be like, ugh, you know. Next I'm gonna do eyes, and I'm gonna go with this Lid Star in Herb. I love this color so much. I love Lid Star so much. My other favorite color is Fawn. It's this one. It's the one I use the most, but I really just love this green. My eyes are kind of hazily, so I love to bring that out as much as possible. So I'm just gonna dab a little on here, and again, like, this stuff is really buildable and really easy to use, user friendly. So start small and build up. I am doing this all in my phone camera and it's kind of stressful, but it's fine. Just really subtle, like that. Same side. Nope, other side. Blending it and then blending out the corner of my eye. My eyes are hooded, so I'm trying to like bring up the corner so that they don't look so sad. Okay, so now both eyes have a little bit of Lid Star on each of them. I'm gonna go in with my Glossier Play Color Slide in Stable and just line the top a little bit to kind of accentuate it. So I'm using my mirror down here because I'm terrified that I'm gonna just make this go crazy, you know? So. I've been using the Glossier makeup pads to kind of take makeup off my hands and stuff in between. I'll have the lash slick, so I'm going to be using a Tarte mascara. I'll link it below. The Lights Camera lashes and their primer as well. Take my little eyelash curler. Okay, so left eye versus right eye. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Those are my eyes. Eyes. All done. And then let's fill in my eyebrows, huh? I'm not using boy brow because you can see my eyebrows are really, really thin and that doesn't really work very well with me. So I actually love their brow flick. So that's what I'm gonna use today. So I'm just using an Anastasia, or however you say it, a little spoolie brush to kind of brush them out and get them where I want them to be. Then I'm gonna lightly fill in. So I start down here at the middle and I go up and out and I kind of do the side and the top, fill in the top of it. So I just fill them in a little bit, same thing, starting here, dragging it out in short little strokes, up here, pulling it down a bit to kind of fill out the shape, and then across the top. So then I'm going to use the brow flick to fill it in just a little bit more, and it keeps it like staying put, so I love that. So same thing, just short little flicks, short tiny little strokes to fill in. That's all I'm doing over and over again. And then same on this side. And again, just pulling it up and over. Same thing, kind of upward this way. Okay. And then that's with the added brow flick to kind of just fill it in with the color. So I'm just like, there's like some pockets here where the color kind of sat. So I'm just trying to brush it out a little bit and make it a little bit more natural looking. Brows are done. Can you see them? Now, lips. I kind of like the way that my lips look right now, just like naturally with this makeup, so you could totally leave it and not put anything on. But for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna show you a couple different colors. So first I'm gonna use this Glossier lip gloss in, I think it's just literally red. It's actually not super red when you put it on, so just gives like a bit of a tint, and I really love the way that that looks. So blot it out just a bit, and then you could just go like this. So I'm going to show you another one. So my favorite Generation G lipstick of theirs is called Cake. I really like those are my two favorite colors. So I'm going to show you this one too if you wanted to add like a little bit of color and not a gloss. My lips look like blue, don't they? So that is the Generation G in the shade Cake, and I really love it if you want just like something subtle. So that's my look. It's a full face of Glossier, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'm so glad you were here. I so appreciate you. Please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe. I would love for you to follow me on Instagram or to check out my blog. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know in the comments. And as always, I'm so thankful for you. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. You're amazing. Have a great day.